Our Heavenly Father is orchestrating something special. Can you feel it? He's causing a shift. He's calling us higher, to a higher level of understanding. The training wheels are coming off. We're approaching our graduation. But not everyone will pass the test. Only those who follow his instructions. He wants us to be obedient, not out of fear, but out of love. He wants us to call upon his name, the name of our Father above. The name of Yahweh is the oil being poured out for such a time as this. With ancient prophecies being fulfilled, surely he exists. As events unfold, there will be trials and tribulations, wars and rumors of wars, plagues, famine, and death, all to test our faithfulness. We are entering a new era. The pure language is being restored, so that all may call upon his name in one accord. As the world descends further into darkness, his children are being called higher to him. Those who keep the commands of our Father and carry the testimony of the Son of Man. It's the joining of the two sticks, the wedding supper of the Lamb, and you're all invited to the party. But will you attend? My name is Wendy, and you've been called out of darkness